UAE is indeed a land of development and has always been up to set up a benchmark for others. From Hyperloop and driverless flying cars, they have always taken the step ahead. Further to this, in the recent UAE-Indian conclave happened in Abu Dhabi, a UAE-based company named National Advisor Bureau Limited has conceptualized a floating underwater network that will run between Mumbai and Fujairah in the UAE. The undersea rail network will be 2,000 kilometers and it will be transporting not only passengers but also oil and other goods. National Advisor Bureau Limited Managing Director and Chief Consultant Abdullah Asher said this is a concept. We plan to connect Indian city of Mumbai with Fujairah through ultra-speed floating trains. The project aimed to boost bilateral trade. There will be an export of oil to India from Fujairah ports and import of excess water from Narmada River, north of Mumbai. In addition, other GCC partners can also improve export and import. UAE is indeed a land of